Hello everyone, welcome to M Learning. Today we are going to do chapters integrals, exercise 7.1. So let's start. The question is find an antiderivative or integral of the following functions by the method of inspection. So let's start with the question 1, which is sine 2x. We don't have to do the direct integration here. Instead, we have to do antiderivative. In antiderivative, we have to use the differentiation formulas. Basically, it is asking that d by dx of what is sin 2x. So sin 2x किसका डेरिवेटिव होता है? So हमें बेसिकली ये फंक्शन हमें यहाँ पे निकालना है. We have given the derivative and we have to find its antiderivative. Basically उसको इंटीग्रल भी बोलते हैं, so हम उसको वो फाइंड करेंगे. So for starting this हमें ये देखना है कि that sin 2x किसका डेरिवेटिव होता है. So sin 2x भी अगर हम हटाएं, सिर्फ sin x किसका डेरिवेटिव होता है? Sin x is a derivative of cos x. So basically our idea is to put cos 2x here because ये sin 2x है. So अगर हम cos 2x का डेरिवेटिव करें means if we do derivative of cos 2x basically, so we know that cos 2x is derivative of cos 2x. Cos x का derivative is minus sin 2x and since we'll use the chain rule, so फिर 2x का डेरिवेटिव करेंगे वो आ जाएगा 2. So basically we get minus 2 sin 2x here. But since we have only sin 2x here, we don't have minus 2. So minus 2 का रेसिप्रोकल हम यहाँ पे cos 2x के साथ पुट कर देंगे. So minus 2 का रेसिप्रोकल मीन्स जो भी यहाँ पे sin 2x के अलावा जो भी एक्स्ट्रा चीज आएगी उसको हम दूसरी साइड भेजेंगे. तो जब इसे minus 2 को दूसरी साइड भेजेंगे हो जाएगा minus 1/2. So we'll just put minus 1/2 here. So we can write that the antiderivative of sin 2x is minus 1/2 cos 2x. नाउ इसके साथ हमें यहाँ पे पुट करना पड़ेगा प्लस सी बिकॉज सी इज सम कांस्टेंट. बेसिकली जब हम माइनस 2x प्लस माइनस हाफ cos 2x के साथ हो सकता है कि यहाँ पे प्लस 5 होता या प्लस 6 होता अगर इसके साथ, सो जिसका डेरिवेटिव 0 हो जाता, तो वो हम यहाँ पे काउंट नहीं कर सकते. इसलिए हम उसकी जगह पे हम यहाँ पे प्लस सी लगाते हैं विच इज ऑल्सो नोन एज कांस्टेंट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन. Understood? So now let's see the question 2, which is cos 3x. Now we have to see d by dx of which function is cos 3x. So again we'll just find कि cos 3x इसका डेरिवेटिव होता है. cos किसका डेरिवेटिव होता है? So cos is a derivative of sin, we know that. So we'll just start differentiating sin 3x. So we know that sin 3x किसका डेरिवेटिव होता है? Sin 3x का डेरिवेटिव is cos 3x and 3x का डेरिवेटिव is 3. So basically we get 3 cos 3x. Since we don't have 3 here, so we'll just send this 3 on the other side, that becomes 1/3. So our answer will be हाफ और जिसका हमने डेरिवेटिव किया 1/3 sin 3x प्लस c. दिस मीन्स एंटी डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cos 3x is 1/3 sin 3x plus c. Now let's see the question 3, which is e to the power 2x. So now again we have to see, so d by dx of what is e raised to the power 2x. So basically we'll see कि e to the power 2x किसका डेरिवेटिव होता है. So e की पावर x का डेरिवेटिव e की पावर x ही होता है. So we'll start with e to the power 2x only. So e to the power 2x का डेरिवेटिव will become e to the power 2x and 2x का डेरिवेटिव is 2. So this becomes 2 e to the power 2x. Now what is the difference between here and here? It is 2. So we'll just send 2 on the other side, that will become 1/2. So 1/2 और जिस फंक्शन का हमने इंटीग्रेशन किया e to the power 2x and then साथ में plus c. So therefore anti of e to the power x 2x plus c. Now let's see the question number 4, which is ax plus b whole square. So now d by dx of which function is ax plus b whole square. So now यहाँ पे square है, so we have to use the identity, derivative identity of x to the power n, because यहाँ पे power है. So x to the power n is n x to the power n minus 1. बेसिकली अगर ये किसी का डेरिवेटिव है तो इसकी पावर 1 से कम हो गई है, सो अगर ये जिसका भी डेरिवेटिव होगा उसकी पावर इसमें +1 होगी, मीन्स 1 ज़्यादा होगी. So we'll just do the derivative of the same thing with one more power, that is 2 की जगह पे 3. So we'll just start derivating ax plus b whole cube. So ax plus b whole cube is derivative by this formula, which is x to the power n. So n means 3 आगे आ जाएगा, brackets ax plus b whole to the power 3s minus 3 minus 1 into, now we have to apply chain rule. So ax plus b whole cube के बाद अंदर वाला फंक्शन है ax plus b. सो ए एक्स प्लस बी का डेरिवेटिव, ए एक्स का डेरिवेटिव एक्स का डेरिवेटिव होता है 1, सो ए एक्स का डेरिवेटिव हो जाएगा ए और प्लस बी का डेरिवेटिव 0, बेसिकली ए. सो वी कैन टेक इट इन फ्रंट. सो ये बना 3a इंटू ए एक्स प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर. वी हैव टू सी डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस एंड दिस. सो डिफरेंस ऑफ 3a दैट विल बिकम 1/3 ऑन द अदर साइड. सो 1/3a और साथ में जिसका हमने डेरिवेटिव करा दैट इज ax plus b whole cube, ax plus b whole square is 1/3a ax plus b whole cube plus c. This is its answer. Now let's see question 5, which is sin 2x minus 4 e to the power 3x. So d by dx of what is sin 2x minus 4 e to the power 3x. Again we just have to see that किसका डेरिवेटिव sin 2x होता है. सो sin 2x इज बेसिकली sin x किसका डेरिवेटिव होता है cos x का. तो इसकी जगह हम अभी फॉर इंस्टेंस विल राइट cos 2x माइनस e की पावर 3x किसका डेरिवेटिव होता है, e की पावर 3x डेरिवेटिव, e की पावर x का डेरिवेटिव e की पावर x ही होता है. सो विल राइट दिस ओनली. नाउ वी कैन सेपरेट देम ऑल्सो बिकॉज जब बीच में एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन का साइन होता है, सो वी कैन डेरिवेट दिस इंडिपेंडेंटली. सो cos 2x का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है, माइनस sin 2x और 2x का डेरिवेटिव 2 माइनस e टू द पावर 3x का डेरिवेटिव इज e टू द पावर 3x और 3x का डेरिवेटिव इज 3. नाउ we can just write it like this, minus 2 sin 2x minus 3 e to the power 3x. Now we'll just see the difference between the terms. यहाँ पे sin 2x है, यहाँ minus 2 sin 2x है, so minus 2 will be inverted, so it will become minus 1/2 sin 2x. Now minus, or in second term it is minus 3, but we don't have minus 3 here, so we'll send this 3 in the denominator, but we have 4 here, so what we'll do, we'll just multiply it by 4, so it becomes 4/3 to the power 3x plus c. So our antiderivative of sin 2x minus 4 e to the power 3x is minus 1/2 sin 2x minus 4/3 e to the power 3x plus c. This is it. From here we have to find the following integrals in exercise 6 to 20. So we just have to direct integrate this. So first question, firstly we have to write it like this, I equals to the sign of integration 4 e to the power 3x plus 1 whole dx, means we are integrating with respect to x here. So now we'll just separate this, like integration 4 e to the power 3x plus integration 1 dx. Now 4 is a coefficient, so we can send 4 outside. So 4 integral e to the power 3x dx plus 1 integration dx. So now we know that integration of e to the power kx is given as e to the power kx by k plus c, and integration of constant of a number is x plus c. So using these formulas we'll just do here. So it will become 4 e की power 3x will become e to the power 3x by 3 plus 1 का integration is x plus c. Basically 4/3 e to the power 3x plus x plus c. This is its answer. Now let's see the question 7, which is integration of x square 1 minus 1 by x square dx. So first of all we'll multiply this x square with the bracket. So we get x square into 1 is x square, and x square into 1 by x square will become 1. X square cancel. So we get x square minus 1. So x square का इंटीग्रेशन करने के लिए we'll use the formula of x to the power n. Integral of x to the power n dx is given as x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. And for the integration of 1, we know integration of 1 is x plus c. So we'll do that. So x square का integration will be x 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 का integration x plus c. So this becomes x cube by 3 minus x plus c. This is its answer. Let's see the question 8 now, which is I equals to a square plus bx plus c into dx. So now again we'll use the same formulas. X to the power n, which is integration of x to the power n is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Integration of a constant term is 1 plus c. So using this we'll do, so I equals to, first separate this, so first it will become integration ax square dx plus integration bx dx plus integration c dx. So now we can take a common because it is coefficient, a outside because it is coefficient, integration x square, similarly b outside, integration x dx plus c outside, integration 1 dx. So a x square will become x power 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 plus b x to the power 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 and c plus c. So this will become a x cube by 3 plus b square by 2 plus cx and plus c, the constant of integration. Note that this c and this c are different. This is a constant of integration, this is its coefficient. Hence, this is the answer for this question. Now let's move to the question number 9, which is integration of 2x square plus e to the power x dx. First we'll separate this. 2 integration x square dx. I have taken 2 common because 2 outside because it is coefficient does not hold any type of integration, so they remain same. Then integration plus integration e to the power x dx. Now we know the formulas. The integration of x to the power n is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, and integration of ex, e raised power x, is e raised power x plus c. So using this we get 2 x cube by 3 because power is 2 here, so 2 plus 1 becomes 3 by plus 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, and e to the power x is e to the power x plus c. This can be written as 2 by 3 x cube plus e to the power x plus c. Now let's see the question number 10, which is integration of root x minus 1 by root x whole square dx. So we can see this is forming a minus b whole square. So opening this, a square plus b square minus 2ab whole dx. Okay, so root x square is x plus 1 by root x square will become 1 by x minus this root x will be cancelled by this root x minus 2 whole dx. So now we'll just separate this, integration of x dx plus integration of 1 by x dx minus integration of 2 can be taken out, 1 dx. Now x ka dx dx, integration of x dx is x to the power n because we can write it as x to the power 1. So this become x to the power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. Now plus 1 by x. So for integration of 1 by x, 1 by x dx is log of x plus c. So integration of 1 by x is log x. So we'll just put 1 by x, integration of 1 by x is log x minus 2, and integration of constant is x. So it becomes 2x plus c. So basically our answer is x square by 2 plus log x minus 2x plus c. Now our 11th question is integration of x cube plus 5x square minus 4 whole by x square dx. So just what we'll do, we just divide the all of the numerator terms by x square separately, like x cube by x square plus 5x square by x square minus 4 by x square whole dx. Now this will reduce, x square से x cube कट जाएगा, only left with x plus 5 square x square cancelled, only 5 minus 4 और x square उसकी तो हम इसको ऊपर भेज देंगे, it will become 4x to the power minus 2 dx. Now we'll just integrate this. Now we don't have to separate this all of the time. Separate किया था just to show the original method, but in shortcut we'll just integrate the different terms in the individual terms individually. Like x का x means x to the power n, x to the power x square by 2 plus 5 is a constant term, constant के साथ x लग जाता है, so it becomes 5x minus 4 and we'll put x to the power minus 2 में x to the power n का formula. So this become x to the power minus x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. So it will become x square by 2 plus 5x minus 4 x to the power minus 3 by minus 1 plus c, which can be written as x square by 2 plus 5x and this become minus plus, it become plus 4 और x to the power minus 3 denominator में भेज के positive कर देंगे, so it become x cube plus c. This is the answer. Now let's do the question number 12. Here we have integration x cube plus 3x plus 4 by root x whole dx. So now we'll divide all of the terms in numerator by root x का मतलब होता है basically x to the power half. So we'll just put x to the power half in the place of root x. And now we'll separate them. So it will become x cube by x to the power half plus 3x by x to the power half plus 4 by x to the power half. Then put dx. So this will become x cube minus 1 by 2 because exponents के laws होते हैं, in division the powers get subtracted, then 3 x की power कुछ नहीं है means 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 4 और ये तो directly ऊपर minus half चला जाएगा. Then we'll solve the powers. So 3 minus half, so 3 to the 6 minus 1 is 5 by 2 plus 3, 1 minus half is half. Now we'll just solve the powers. X to the power 3 to the 6 minus 1, 5 by 2 plus 3, x to the power 1 minus half is half plus 4 x to the power minus half 2 dx. Now we'll just integrate this. So I will become x to the power 5 by 2. इसके अंदर हम will use the x to the power n formula, which is the formula of x to the power n is integration x to the power n is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So we'll use this formula. So this becomes x to the power 5 by 2 plus 1 whole by 5 by 2 plus 1. Similarly, this becomes 3 x to the power half plus 1 upon half plus 1 plus 4 x to the power minus half plus 1 upon minus half plus 1 plus c. Now just solve this. So x to the power 5 by 2 plus 1 becomes 7 by 2 whole by 7 by 2 plus 3 x to the power half plus 1 becomes 3 by 2 whole by 3 by 2 plus 4 x to the power minus half plus 1 becomes 1 by 2 whole upon 1 by 2 plus c. Now we'll just invert this. 7 by 2, it will become 2 by 7 x to the power 7 by 2 plus 3 into 2 by 3 into x to the power 3 by 2 plus 2 into 4. 1 by 2 becomes 2 into 4 x to the power half plus c. Basically it becomes 2 by 7 x to the power 7 by 2, 3 cancelled, 2 x to the power 3 by 2 plus 2 4s are 8 x to the power 1 by 2 plus c. This is the final. To the question number 13. Here we have integration of x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 whole by x minus 1 dx. So now this is done by factorization. हमें ऊपर जो न्यूमरेटर में एक्सप्रेशन है उसको फैक्टराइज करना पड़ेगा पहले, सो डैट वी कैन कैंसिल x माइनस 1, बिकॉज जब तक टर्म सेपरेट नहीं होंगी तब तक हम उनका इंटीग्रेशन अभी नहीं कर सकते. सो वी कैन सी x क्यूब एंड x स्क्वायर हैज x स्क्वायर कॉमन, वी आर डूइंग दिस रीअरेंजमेंट ऑफ फैक्टराइजेशन। एक्स स्क्वायर ले लिया कॉमन, तो यहाँ पे बचेगा एक्स माइनस वन। नाउ प्लस इन दोनों टर्म से वी कैन सी नथिंग इज कॉमन, सो विल टेक वन कॉमन, so it is left with x minus 1 whole by x minus 1 dx. So now the numerator will become x square plus 1 and x minus 1 whole by x minus 1 dx. So now we can cancel x minus 1 term. So this becomes integration x square plus 1 dx. So now the integration of x square will be x cube by 3 using the formula x to the power n, because x to the power n is x plus x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 का integration is x plus c. This is its answer. Now let's do the question 14, which is integration 1 minus x into root x. So basically root x means x to the power half. So we'll just multiply with this x to root x, that can be written as x to the power half. So इसको x to the power half को हम दोनों टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So 1 into x to the power half is x to the power half minus x into x to the power half. जब बेसिस सेम होते हैं तो पावर्स ऐड हो जाती हैं. So it becomes, पहले ऐसे ही लिख लेते हैं एक बार, x into x to the power half dx. So integration x to the power half minus the bases are same, so powers will be added. So 1 plus half will become e by 2. Now using the formula of x to the power n, we'll just integrate this. So this becomes x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 minus x, this will also become 3 by 2 plus 1 whole upon 3 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So this becomes x to the power 3 by 2 whole upon 3 by 2 minus x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 become 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 plus 1. This means our integration will be 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5 x to the power 2 x to the power 5 by 2 plus c. This is its answer. Now let's see the question 15. Integration x to the power half. So the x to the power half can be written as, root x can be written as x to the power half 3 square plus 2x plus 3. So just multiply all the terms with x to the power half. You will get 3 x to the power half into x square. जब बेसिस सेम होते हैं तो पावर ऐड हो जाती है. So it will become x to the power 2 plus half plus 2 x to the power 1 plus half plus 3 x to the power half whole dx. So this will become 3 x to the power 2 plus half become 5 by 2 plus 2 1 plus half become 3 by 2 plus 3 x to the power 1 by 2 whole dx. Now we integrate this. The 3 will remain 3 here और x की पावर 5 by 2 को हम x की पावर n के फॉर्मूले से करेंगे, which is x to the power n plus 1. So this will become x to the power 5 by 2 plus 1 whole upon 5 by 2 plus 1 and plus 1. So 2 now plus 2 x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 whole upon 3 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 x to the power half plus 1 whole upon half plus 1 plus c. So this will become 3 into x 5 by 2 plus 1. इसका एलसीएम लेंगे तो ये जगह 5 plus 2 that is 7 whole by 7 by 2 plus 2 x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 becomes 5 by 2 whole upon 5 by 2 plus 3 x to the power half plus 1 becomes by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus c. So therefore our integration will be 3 into 2 by 7 x to the power 7 by 2 plus 2 into 2 by 5 x to the power 5 by 2 plus 3 into 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus c. So basically it becomes 6 by 7 x to the power 7 by 2 plus 4 by 5 x to the power 5 by 2 plus this 3 cancelled. So 2x to the power 3 by 2 plus c. This is its answer. Now let's see the question number 16, which is integration 2x minus 3 cos x plus e to the power x whole dx. So 2x का integration 2 is coefficient, 2 as it is रहेगा, x का integration x to the power n, which is x to the power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula here we used. Then 3 cos x का integration होता है sin x plus e to the power x का integration is e to the power x only plus c. So this becomes 2x square by 2 minus 3 sin x plus e to the power x plus c. 2 will be cancelled by 2, so it becomes x square minus 3 sin x plus e to the power x plus c. You can find the integration formulas in the description given. I have uploaded a sheet here, the link for the sheet for the integration formulas. You can see the formulas from there, all the integration formulas. Now next question is question 17, which is I equals to integration 2x square minus 3 sin x plus 5 root x. Now this root x, instead of root x, we are writing x to the power half dx. So let's start integrating this. So 2 is coefficient, it will remain same. X square के लिए we will use the x to the power n identity, which is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So this becomes x cube by 3. 2 plus 1 3, then plus 3, sorry it's negative, so we'll put minus here, minus 3 और sin x का इंटीग्रेशन होता है minus cos x plus 5 x to the power half का भी इंटीग्रेशन हम इसी फॉर्मूला से यूज करेंगे, so it becomes x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 whole upon 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Basically we get 2 by 3 x cube plus 3 cos x, because ये माइनस हो जाएगा, 5 x to the power 3 by 2 whole by 3 by 2 plus c. Basically 2 by 3 x cube plus 3 cos x plus 5 into 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus c, which is equals to 2 by 3 x cube plus 3 cos x plus 5 to the 10 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus c is its answer. Now let's see the question number 18. So it is I equals to integration sec x into sec x plus tan x dx. So this will be, first of all what we'll do, we'll multiply the sec x into the both terms in the bracket. So sec x into sec x, first we'll multiply with this, so it becomes sec square x, then sec x into tan x, this becomes sec x tan x whole dx. Now we have direct integration formula for these trigonometric terms, which are integration of sec square x dx is tan x plus c, and for sec x tan x dx it is sec x plus c. We'll just put these formulas here. So we get sec square x का integration tan x plus sec x tan x का integration sec x plus c. This is its answer. Now let's do the question 19, which is integration sec square x by cos x square x dx. So first of all we'll just change this sec square x and cos x square x, because अभी हम इसका डायरेक्ट इंटीग्रेशन नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि ये दोनों डिवीजन में है, एक फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म में है. So first we have to reduce this. So we know that sec square x, sec is a reciprocal of cos, तो sec square x को हम लिख सकते हैं 1 by cos square x whole upon cos square x is a reciprocal of sin x, so this can be written as 1 by sin square x dx. So just solve this, we'll keep the numerator same, means 1 by cos square x. Instead of main fraction we'll put multiplication and reciprocal the denominator, so we'll given into sin square x by 1 dx. So basically it becomes sin square x into 1 is sin square x by cos square x, and we know that sin x upon cos x is tan x, so we can write it I equals to integration tan square x dx. Now we don't have a direct formula for tan square x, so we'll use the identity for tan square x. You know the identity which we have done in class 10, that 1 plus tan square x is equals to sec square x. So this means tan square x can be written as sec square x minus 1. So just put this, instead of tan square we'll write sec square x minus 1 dx. Now in the previous question we have seen the sec square x का integration is tan x और 1 का integration x plus c. So the answer is tan x minus x plus c. So the next question, question number 20 is I equals to integration 2 minus 3 sin x whole by cos square x dx. So it will become, अब cos स्क्वायर एक्स अभी बिकॉज हम इसे डायरेक्ट इंटीग्रेट नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज ये रैशनल फॉर्म में है, हमें अभी ये नहीं आता है इसे कैसे करना है. सो जस्ट विल सेपरेट दिस. सो वी कैन राइट इट एज 2 अपॉन cos स्क्वायर एक्स माइनस 3 sin x होल अपॉन cos स्क्वायर एक्स इंटू dx. सो दिस विल बी 2 cos स्क्वायर एक्स को 1 अपॉन cos स्क्वायर को अगर हम ऊपर भेजें तो ये बन जाएगा sec स्क्वायर एक्स, इसका रेसिप्रोकल cos स्क्वायर एक्स का रेसिप्रोकल इज sec स्क्वायर एक्स माइनस 3. अब यहाँ पे है 3 sin x अपॉन cos स्क्वायर एक्स. सो 3 sin x और नीचे cos स्क्वायर एक्स को हम ऐसे ब्रेक कर सकते हैं cos x इंटू cos x दिस. सो इट विल बिकम 2 sec स्क्वायर x माइनस 3. नाउ 1 ये 3 sin x अपॉन cos x इज tan x. सो sin x अपॉन cos x की जगह लिख सकते हैं हम tan x और ये नीचे बच जाएगा एक cos x जिसको अगर हम ऊपर भेजें तो रेसिप्रोकेट होके हो जाएगा sec x because tan x का reciprocal sec x. So this becomes 3 tan x sec x. So 2 sec square x का integration हमने last question में देखा था that was tan x. So it becomes 2 tan x minus 3 और sec x tan x का derivative हमने question number 18 में देखा था which is sec x plus c. So I equals to 2 tan x minus 3 sec x plus c. This is the answer. Now let's see the next question. Choose the correct answer in exercise 21 and 22. So basically this is a MCQ. Question number 21. The antiderivative of root x plus 1 by root x equals to what? So we have to find its antiderivative. So basically we'll just find its integration. So integration of root x plus 1 by root x हमको find करना है, वही उसका आंसर होगा. So root x हमें पता है root x can be written as x to the power half plus this can be written as 1 upon x to the power half dx. So basically this becomes I equals to integration x to the power half plus x to the power minus half. And now we know the formula because ये है x की power n, तो x की power n का integration होता है x की power n plus 1 whole by n plus 1. Similarly here x की power n which is minus half plus 1 upon n which is minus half plus 1 plus c. So basically it becomes x to the power 3 by 2 whole by 3 by 2 plus x to the power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c, which is basically 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus 2 x to the power half plus c. We can see which option is matching with this one. So this is our option C. So our answer is option C here. Now question number 22 is if d by dx of fx is equals to 4x cube minus 3 by x to the power 4 such that f for 2 is equals to 0 then fx is. So here basically हमें fx निकालना है, हमें d by dx of fx equals to ये दिया है मतलब ये एंटी डेरिवेटिव दिया है और हमें उससे अपना फंक्शन वापस फाइंड करना है. सो व्हाट विल वी डू, विल इंटीग्रेट द गिवन इक्वेशन बोथ साइड्स. जो हमें ऊपर इक्वेशन दी है इसमें हम दोनों साइड इंटीग्रेशन कर देंगे. सो d इंटीग्रेशन d by dx of fx इज इक्वल्स टू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ x क्यूब माइनस 3 बाय x टू द पावर 4. इसको हम ऐसे इंटीग्रेट करेंगे दोनों साइड. सो दोनों साइड यहाँ पे जब इंटीग्रेट करेंगे सो विल गेट, यहाँ पे डी बाई डी एक्स से इंटीग्रेशन कैंसिल हो जाएगा सो वी गेट एफ एक्स और यहाँ पे 4 एज इट इज. एक्स क्यूब का इंटीग्रेशन विल बी एक्स टू द पावर टी प्लस 1 अपॉन 3 प्लस 1 माइनस 3. अब ये है एक्स की पावर 4. सो पहले हम इसको ऊपर भेजते तो ये हो जाता है एक्स की पावर माइनस 4 जिसका इंटीग्रेशन होता है एक्स की पावर माइनस 4 प्लस 1 upon minus 4 plus 1 plus c. So this will become fx equals to 4x to the power 4 by 4 minus 3x to the power minus 3 by minus 3 plus c. So ये 4 से 4 cancel हो जाएगा और our fx will be x to the power 4. ये भी कर जाएगा माइनस प्लस और 3 से 3 कैंसिल. x की power minus 3, which can be written as 1 upon x to the power 3 plus c. Now we have to find this value c. उसके लिए हमें given है that f2 is equals to 0. So we'll just put x की जगह पे 2 और fx की जगह पे 0, because उसने बोला है कि x when x is 2 और fx is 0. So ये values हम अपनी equation 1 में यहाँ put कर देंगे. So we get 0 equals to 2 to the power 4 plus 1 upon 2 cube plus c, which is 2 to the power 4 is 16 plus 1 by 8 plus c. So 0 equals to 16 into 8, 6 8s are 48. So it becomes 128 plus 1 by 8 plus c. So this is 0 equals to 128 plus 1 by 8 plus c, which is 129 by 8 plus c. This means c equals to minus 129. C is minus 129 by 8. We'll just put this c value here again. So basically our fx will be x to the power 4 plus 1 by x cube minus 129 by 8, which is our option A is the answer. I hope you understood all the solutions of exercise 7.1. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel.